Hi there. Let's talk about something crucial for every educator today. How we teach in a world where AI can instantly do what we've traditionally taught step by step. You know cognitive guidance, right? It's that classic teaching approach. I show you how to solve a problem, walk you through each step, then you practice until you've got it. Like teaching long division. First, divide. Then multiply. Subtract. Bring down the next number. Step by step by step. And here's the thing, cognitive guidance is fantastic for building foundational skills. When students are lost, they need that structure. It's like training wheels on a bicycle, absolutely essential when you're learning to balance. But here's what keeps me up at night. AI can now do these step-by-step tasks instantly. That long division? AI solves it in milliseconds. Those essay outlines we teach? AI generates them perfectly. So if we stop at cognitive guidance, we're training students for obsolescence. We're preparing them for a world that no longer exists. That's why cognitive guidance must be just the first level. Once students can follow steps, we push them to ask, why does this method work? That's metacognitive thinking. Then we challenge them further. What if we tried differently? What assumptions are we making? That's Socratic inquiry. Think of it as levels in a game. Level 1. Follow the steps. Level 2, understand your thinking. Level 3, question everything and co-create solutions. The magic happens when we use AI to accelerate through level 1, so we can spend more time on what makes us uniquely human, critical thinking, creativity, and wisdom. Ready to level up your teaching? Come join us at Sentient AI.